English speaking course.
Excuse me, how can I help you? You have been standing here for quite a long time. Oh, my house is over there, but I cannot cross the road. Cars run so fast. I see. The traffic here is always terrible. Do you want me to cross the road with you? That is great. Thanks a lot. It is very kind of you. You are welcome. I like to help other people, especially the elderly and children. You are a good girl. You make me miss my grandmother. I have not seen her for years. Why? Because she lives abroad with my uncle. I think I will come home and make a video call with her right away. You should do that, girl. I am sure your grandmother will be very happy. Thank you. Can you come home alone? Of course. Excuse me. Yes, what can I do for you? Can you show me the way to the post office? I need to send a gift to my parents. Let me see. It is quite far from here. Why don't you take a bus? I think it will be more convenient. But I do not know which bus passed by the post office. You can get on the bus number 2. It will take you about 30 miles. That is a good idea. Let's sit here and wait for the bus. Okay, thank you. Hi, I am Vivian. What's your name? My name is Serena. I am a second-year student. What about you, Vivian? I am a first-year student. I have just come here, so I have not known much about the city. I used to, but now I can go everywhere by bus. Taking buses is not as difficult as you might think. Oh, I will try. My bus is coming. I have to go now, Vivian. Okay, see you again, Serena. Good morning, madam. How can I help you? Well, I am finding a dress for a birthday party tonight. What color do you like? I like red. And a short or long dress? I think the long one will be more suitable. Please wait for a few minutes. I will find you a suitable dress. Okay, thanks. Do you like this dress, madam? This one is beautiful, but I do not like the sleeves. Is there anything without sleeves? Of course, madam. That is it. Do you want to try it on? Okay, I will try it on. Where is the fitting room? The fitting room is over there. What is the problem with the dress, madam? I like this one, but have you got it in a larger size? I think I have gained weight. Yes, I have, madam. Is that a good fit? It is just right. I will take it. Do you want to buy anything else? No, thanks. It is enough. How much does it cost? It is $50 US. Do you want to pay in cash or by credit card? Credit card, please. This is the bill and your credit card. Thanks, and see you again, madam. Sure, thank you. Good morning, sir. How can I help you?
Well, I bought a dress for my wife yesterday, but she did not like it. May I return it?
I am afraid you cannot return it, but you can change it for another one. This dress did not fit her, is it right?
No, she did not like its color. Is this the only color you have?
What color does she like?
She likes yellow. Do you have it?
Yes, sir. Please wait for a while. Here is the dress, sir. I hope she will like it. Do you want to choose anything else? A pair of shoes?
That is a good idea.
So, do you know her size?
Let me see. I think it is a size 37.
What color does she like?
She often wears black shoes.
Okay. I will give a pair of black shoes in size 37. What do you think about these?
They look so beautiful. I guess my wife will love them immediately. In case they do not fit her, may I change for others?
Yes, but you should change for ones with equal or higher prices, sir.
Okay. How much do I have to pay for these shoes?
$40, sir.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you. Hello. Can I help you with these documents? It seems that they are too heavy for you.
Yes, but are you free now? It may take some time.
Don't worry. I'm not busy now. I'm relaxing for a while.
Okay, thank you.
I am Brian. What is your name?
I am Linda. Nice to meet you, Brian.
Why do you bring so many documents?
Well, I am an accountant of our company. I need these documents to prepare financial statement. You look so strange, Brian. I have not seen you before.
That is right. I am a new salesman in the sales department. I just arrived last week.
Oh, I see. How was your first days at our company?
How to say? My colleagues are so kind and friendly. I have learned much from them.
If you need any help, don't mind calling me.
Thanks in advance, Linda. What can I do with these documents, Linda?
Can you put them on the table?
Okay.
Would you like another cup of coffee?
No, thanks. I should go back to work now.
Okay. Thank you very much, Brian. You are so kind.
Do not mention it, Linda.
Goodbye. See you later.
Bye. What is the matter with you, Anna? You do not look well.
I have a stomach ache. I have not eaten anything this morning.
How can I help you?
Could you buy me some bread and medicine?
Of course. Wait here, Anna.
Thank you, Peter. Good morning. How can I help you?
I want to buy some medicine for my friend. She has a stomach ache.
Well, she can take some medicine to reduce pain temporarily. After that, she should go to the hospital for further check.
How much does it cost?
It is $5.
Here you are. Thank you. How do you feel, Anna? Is it better?
Yes, I feel better now. Thanks, Peter.
Never mind. We are friends. How long have you had a stomachache?
As I remember, it began last month.
Why did you not tell me?
I'm sorry, Peter. I do not want to bother you.
So silly you are. I will take you to the hospital tomorrow before it gets worse.
Okay, let's do that.
Anna, you should not underestimate your disease. It may get worse if you do not take care of yourself. Do you often stay up late and skip breakfast?
Yes, I often stay up late to do my homework. I sometimes skip breakfast if I am in a hurry.
They are not good habits, Anna. You had better change your lifestyle to have a better health. And remember to take your medicine on time.
I know, Doctor. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Don't forget to give us a like. Thank you and see you again.